To fix a camera not working on Android, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check if the camera app is enabled in your device settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, and look for the camera app. If it is disabled, enable it and try using the camera again. Next, check for any pending software updates, as an outdated operating system can cause camera issues. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for any available updates. Install the update and restart your device to see if the camera is working. Another common cause of camera issues is a third-party app interfering with the camera. Try booting your device in safe mode to isolate the issue. To do this, press and hold the power button until your device restarts. Then release the power button and immediately hold the volume down button. If the camera works in safe mode, it indicates that a third-party app is causing the issue. Additionally, check the camera settings to ensure that the camera is not restricted. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select the camera app. Look for any restrictions or permissions that may be blocking the camera. Also, clear the camera app cache and data to resolve any issues related to stored data. To do this, go to Settings, then Storage, and select the camera app. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Then restart your device. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting the camera app to its default settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select the camera app. Look for the Reset or Clear Defaults option and select it. This will restore the camera app to its original settings. Finally, if all else fails, consider performing a factory reset on your device. This will erase all data and restore your device to its original settings. Before doing this, make sure to back up any important data to prevent loss. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, then System, and select Reset Options. Choose the Factory Reset option and follow the prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a camera not working on Android. Remember to always back up your data before performing any major changes to your device.